10:17 at the Aloft Charlotte Epicenter, I think it's called. So this is my room. So I'll start here. This is the closet there. There's a couple shelves above. Ice bucket, coffee service, safe, kind of built in. And you can see the closet. It's just a little closet, a couple things you can hang. And then the bathroom, this is actually a full-length mirror, sliding mirror. And then you have the shower stall with Bliss products in it. Toilet, extra towels. Then the sink area, again, you have the Bliss products, which actually I love. Bowl sink, mirror, a small little refrigerator underneath the sink with nothing in it. And then you go to the other side, to the room side, and there's a desk with a lamp, little earplugs they give you, and then also the plug and play, so you can do video in, audio, whatever you want to do there. Then there's a large bench, which I have all my stuff on right now, TV over the bed, another little kind of desk area, but the AC unit's under it, and then king bed with a cityscape skyline. And then you have plugs underneath next to the bed, and this turns something on. Oh, the overhead light over the bed, and water. So you come around to the other side and you have a cute little clock, and then more outlets. And then this is where the ironing board and iron is, down there. And no top sheet, because I didn't think they would. Okay, so this is my room here at the Charlotte Aloft. I forget to show the view. So the view, I'll open these up. You have a little bit of kind of the rest of the city and some buildings in Epicenter. And down below us looks like it's a Carolina Ale House and a parking garage.